Hello everybody, how's your day going? I will be coming back to you with an unboxing video with this perfume. So I'm gonna unbox it for you and we will see together if this perfume smells good or not. So it's by Lattafa and the name is Wazeer. So have you ever seen it? Have you ever had any of these ranges before, and have you ever seen it, and have you ever thought about purchasing it? So first I'm going to show you quickly what do I have. So for example, I have, guys, for example, this Amir perfume. It's perfume with oud, and actually, even though this wood could be quite likable, but because I don't like this any type of oud at all, so far, so I find it a little bit difficult to wear. But overall, I think this perfume could be nice if you are the person that likes ouds. The one that I like, guys, from this selection would be Sapphire, and it's a green bottle, and a lot of people doesn't like this perfume, so that's what I know. But I like it, guys. I really like this perfume. There is some freshness, and there is spiciness, and there's this greenness that can be quite good, and it was performing very well for me in the summer day, and it was lasting, and I, guys, like I had no issues at all, with this particular perfume. So that's the perfume, beautiful perfume. Another perfume that I will unbox today will be this one. So I wonder if I would be able to put these two together, if nothing. So they are all, guys, two of them looking together, these animals. So this one is Wazeer, and first when I tried it, I thought this is the one that probably I will not buy it, and I'll just leave it. I will not buy it. So I chose those two. I chose this one because I thought that I like it, and then after I chose this one because one lady behind in front of me, she was buying this one, and then I quickly changed my mind. Maybe I thought she knows this perfume, and maybe I thought it could be a good one. So when I smelled it, I thought maybe this perfume could be nice, and I bought it, but I regretted a little bit. But no matter what, let's unbox this orange looking perfume that, as far as I saw on internet, people like this one the most. So I don't know. Let's unbox it. The best part, guys, about perfume is unboxing perfume. It's unboxing perfumes and discovering what they are. So there is this so noble range. There's this type of velvety feeling here and here. The expiration date is 2028, so it's pretty new, and I smell some kind of synthetic type of smell, but I guess it's just because from the packaging, I hope. So that's the perfume, guys. It's looking like this, as orangey as that. So that's type of is beautiful, guys. It's pretty beautiful. As you can see, some, guys, dusts start to gather on my old perfume. So this perfume is new, so dusts are not yet covered this perfume. Anyway, guys, so we can smell it. Let's spray it on. Should I smell it, guys, or should I maybe let's read the notes first? So we will, or maybe, okay, let's do that. Let's just spray it on first before actually I'm gonna read those notes. So first impressions. When I smelled in store, I couldn't understand very well this perfume. So it's too much alcohol. Like, I'm not sure, guys. So there's this type of warm, spicy feeling. There's just like a amber, type of amber base, but not too much amber. This type of sweetness, like woodiness. I feel like probably it needs a little bit to settle down, this perfume. It needs a bit some settlement before I actually could understand what is the smell about. But from the first impression, I'm not getting like wowed too much. So there was this like a caramelly, you know, they say there's this caramelly type of feeling. So amber, spicy, you know, this type of warm, spicy, sweet type of woody, caramelly type of feeling. It's not much so far, I would say. I still prefer a green one. I guess it's just a matter of waiting before understanding, guys, if this perfume is any good or not. Like, probably, like, it's just like, it's possible that it could be a mistake that I bought this perfume. It's really possible. It's just because I'm not feeling wowed too much. Unless this perfume would open for me later on with some sort of beautiful notes that I'm not feeling right now. You know, maybe this amber and caramel would appear in a beautiful way later on. But at the moment, I'm a bit confused. And it's all right, guys, to be confused. It's like I'm barely actually feeling any notes. Funny. This is really funny, isn't it? I'm barely, it's like a very faint. It became very faint. It's, you know, I definitely will need some sort of second or third impressions, you know, to understand what's happening, guys. I expected a bit more. Let's spray it on and let's read. Let's spray it on more, and I'm gonna read, guys. Like, I'm gonna read a little bit more about it while I'm waiting until this perfume will settle down for me. So, this perfume, Wazeer, so it's for woman and man. And then, so in the notes, you're gonna have mint. I'm not, I'm not feeling it. But anyway, so at the beginning, there are some sort of refreshing notes, like it says bergamot, juniper, you know. And then after there is chocolate, caramel, pear, iris, raspberry. For some sort of reason, it's kind of a little bit faint, you know. It feels a bit faint, unless I'm mistaken. I'm having maybe mistaken first impressions. You know, I need secondary impressions. So all of these notes that they are saying here at this moment, everything is kind of smooth and faint and not as harsh as this one, you know, not as this one. Like when you smell that one, you can feel that is oud. When you smell this one, green one, you can feel that is like a, you know, green type of feeling. And when you smell this one, you feel smooth, faint, all, you know, those notes like amber, vanilla, you know, musk, it says there's sandalwood, like there's even vetiver. So I wonder if there will be any good from this perfume. I really wonder. I'm a bit confused, guys, really confused about this particular perfume, but I like to have all of them in my collection, you know, 3 of them, so I can actually have it. So what's positive about this perfume is that it's not too overly strong. It's not hitting too much to your nose, which could possibly be versatile after you actually would realize some kind of a beauty of this perfume, which I am not yet getting it, but it could be just a matter of time, which, you know, can happen very often. So let's see, guys, let's see what's happening here. It actually says long lasting. A lot of people says long lasting. Interesting. Need to figure this out, guys, because it feels a bit faint to me. And then it says, let's have a look. It says more, kind of, some people say it's unisex, some people say it's more for male. Actually, very little people say that it's for female. But I wouldn't think so, guys. I really think that women and man can wear it, which is great. You know, when it's so difficult sometimes for man to find a perfume that you know you would be able to wear. So this perfume could be for man and woman actually. Actually, uh, guys, really need to figure this out. This perfume. So what other people say more or less? You know, so they actually say if you let it sit for a while, it will become really strong, you know, and smells unique. So that's probably what I need. It's probably I need to let it sit, and that this perfume maybe will open up within time. That's really possible, you know, it's really possible. So that's I'm hoping for. And then let's see, Some people say it's powdery. Let's see what else they say. Then they say they are very happy to discover this perfume. So then they say after you leave it few months to stand, on your shelves, it becomes much better. Some people say it smells like beer. Maybe. And then some people are not so happy, and then some people say it's for warmer weather. They say it's light, and then kind of they feel chocolate in it. Some people say they are very happy, and it's very beautiful scent. It lasts for 8 hours. They say, interesting, guys. And then they say some people loves it. So some people say they don't love it. Again, they say it's like for beer, and then like some people say many things. So some people say it's just simply nothing too good. It's probably, guys, this perfume is one of those probably that could be nothing too exciting. It's really possible, but it doesn't really matter. I will figure this out within future. If anybody has this perfume, please write in the comments. What's your experience? Are you excited about this perfume? I mean, like, does it actually open up in some kind of much better way within time? It's just a matter of waiting. I do like, actually, I might agree with those people that they say that it smells a little bit like a beer. Some sort of pleasant type of smell of beer with vanilla and amber. I don't know, guys. I'm still thinking that this one is number one for me. So maybe I should do some kind of comparison video, guys, about those. Like, I don't know. I will do it one day. But so far, that's the situation. So I'm gonna leave you at that. I really need your help, like, to figure it out, this perfume. If you can write it, it will help for other people and for me to figure this out. I'm gonna be wearing it, and I'm gonna be having more experience with this, obviously. I will leave you at that. Have a beautiful day. See you soon. Bye bye.